Good morning, it's Miss C, and hi guys. I'm going to walk you through Pattern, which is your fourth assignment in the class, second in AutoCAD. This is what the pattern looks like here. It's a series of lines and angles. So these are assumed to be at 90-degree angles, and then if it's at a different degree besides 90, or 0 or 180, then it is given to you by these blue numbers here. These other blue numbers are telling you the length of the lines. So these are called dimensions. Anytime that you see a separate number with these arrows and lines just like this above another line, that's a dimension to a drawing. So we're going to go ahead and pull up AutoCAD and just start a new drawing here. And then you're going to make sure you're on your Home tab here. And then you press the line command. So this is the line command here. You're going to press it. Line command works, there's a lot of different ways to do line command. But it's asking you right here, it's prompting you, specify first point. So to specify the first point, you're going to type 0, tab 0, and then enter. I like to start there. It's the origin of the drawing, just like in math, how there's like a graph, a two-dimensional graph. The AutoCAD works in the same kind of way where you have an origin. Now, if I want to move the drawing just like that, there's on the mouse, you have that little center roller. So that will zoom in and out. And if you want to move the drawing, you can click that and then drag the drawing however you want to move it. So let's move the origin so it's a little more central and pretty zoomed in. Now, hold on one second, let me grab my reference sheet. So I've got my reference sheet so that when I'm looking down, I'm just looking at the dimensions so I don't have to go back and forth between the different screens. So with this drawing, you are given the dimensions and you're expected to do it the dimensions. Now, in that line command, you can tell it to do where to start and then how far to go and the angle. So the first distance is 3. And then you press tab and you want it to be at 90 degrees. So then here, the next line is 4. So I tell the distance first. And then the degrees should be 35 degrees. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit and drag it down since our drawing is going to get a little bigger. Then our next one is 2. So I press 2 and then tab and then 90 and enter. And then I press 4 and tab and 45 and enter. And then this next one is 8.5. And the degrees here is 0. 0 degrees because you're going from this line. So it's either going to be 0, 90, or this way is 180. Going to the left is going to be 180. Oh, that's different on the picture. Okay, so then this is 0, this is 90, and this is 180. Think of it going like that. Now you're going to go down 1 and 90 degrees again, and then you're going to go over 3 and go 0 degrees again, and 2 and 90 degrees. Now, the next one is 4, and our degrees is 35. You're like, whoa! I'm going to press escape to end the command. This line is supposed to be over here. What happened? So, just like I was going over the 0, 90, 180, when you're going, that's traveling from the left to the right. When you're going from the right to the left, you have to think backwards in AutoCAD. And that is because you're going from this line and then you're going to start going down. So we're going to delete this line, so you can click that line and press the delete button, not the backspace, delete. I'm going to choose that point again, and I'm going to go 4, because that's still our distance, that hasn't changed. Now, instead of 180, and our given distance, or our given angle is 35, think 180 minus 35, so that should be 145. This one should be 4. Tab 180, and this one should be 2, tab 90, and this one is 4, tab. Now this is again the same idea. It is not just 45 degrees. It's 180 minus 45, which is 135. And then the next distance is 7.5 tab 180. Ooh, that was 80. So then you can escape, click that line, delete. Ooh, I forgot a 1. And you can either just type it in, or you can click the points that you want it to be at, and then escape to end the command. If you're unsure of whatever you're doing, you want to have this command strip up here, down here. It tells you exactly what's going on. But this is what the drawing should look like. When you get to this point, make sure you save it as your last name. So I have it right here, CN number 4 pattern. And then you're going to go to output and plot and save it as a PDF, and then upload the PDF onto Canvas. And if you are unsure with those steps that I just went through, there is a separate assignment that goes over how to upload an assignment. So good luck. Let me know how it goes, and have fun.